Okay, I'm assuming you've been practicing what we learned in the first exercise. So now we're moving on. And this time, instead of coming in on 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, we're going to hit the drum with our right hand on the and beat. What is the and beat? Well, the and beat is what comes in between the counts. So for example, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, right? So let's try to come in on 1 and. That will show you what I mean. So here we got the left hand going 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Did you see that? It came in between the 1 and the 2 was that 1 and 2, right? So that's what I want us to practice first. We're going to come in on 1 and 2. So 1 and 2, 3, 4. 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 Good. Next, I want us, you've probably guessed it, to come in on 2 and 3. So it's going to be 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. Let's try that. Here we go. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 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 Now, let's switch it up a little bit. So every other time we're going to do 1 and 2, and then every other time we're going to do 1, 2 and 3. So like this, 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. Very good. Now, you know what's coming next? 3 and 4. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? Let's try that. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, let's mix it up a little bit. We're going to do the 1 and we're going to do the 2 and we're going to do the 3 and. So that would be something like this. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? Let's try that. Here we go. And 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1. Okay, next we want to add the 4 and, right? So the 4 and sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and. Let's try that. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and. Good. Now I want us to mix up all these 4 different actually it's called a shuffle when you come in between the beats. So 1 and 2 is called a shuffle. So let's mix up these shuffles. So we're gonna come in on 1 and then on 2 and then on 3 and then on 4 and. So let's see if I can do this. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and. Okay, let's try it together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and. Right? And then, just like in the other exercise, we can switch the order around, right? So we could do a 4 and followed by a 1 and. So that would sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2, 3, right? Or we could do a 3 and followed by a 4 and. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. Or we could do a 1 and followed by a 2 and. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. You can switch these orders around. In fact, that's what I want you to do next. So in the first video we watched what it's like when we hit on the beat, and this one we looked at the shuffle. 1, 2 and. What happens when we hit the drum in between the two? Awesome.